stuff. It's not that that kind of cheap or anything. It's just that it's now 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. I'm getting home and having to change the belt. And look how lubricated it is. Now mind you, it is a whopping -3 degrees outside. You can see all the damn snow. Alright. Now we'll put some gloves on. I got the little clips off. A pain in the ass to get to. Now I gotta lay on my back and it's cold. Get underneath here and see if I can figure out how the hell this belt goes. Yippee. Fuck this shit. Trick is, get this little doodad out here, and you'll see a spot underneath here where the pulley is. Right up in there. Well, get you in there. See there in the center where the tension pulley is, where the black wheel and the under nut is right there. There's a little shiny spot of silver. This thing right here goes like this. And then you pull it this way, and this goes forward. And then you'll be able to put your belt on this side, over here. Of course, when it's snowed out, you ain't got much leverage on battery charging. That's what you gotta do. Lay on your back. And you can get to the other front. You gotta make sure all your belt's not pinched and all this. Oh man. I tell you it's -3 degrees out. So once you get that in there, you'll be able to pull it just like this. Once you see where you're at. Oh, I got it on the wrong side. Just like this. Then you get on this side, you can move your belt around. Or your compressor and stuff. Just like that. That's how that works. And make sure all your stuff is in the groove. And all the belt, you know. There's a little extra lubrication going on. There might be a few missing nuts or something, I don't know. Had to use the baseball bat. The little nut just swelled up on one end and whacked it on there to get it off. Now I'm gonna get the base. I'm gonna put that shield plate back on. Hopefully I didn't lose them little plastic pieces. I don't know where the hell I put them. I tell you what, these bath mats, man, they tell you what, they'll save you back on this shit. Well, I'm gonna get it back together and get it going. I'm charging up now. 12.5 amps. I don't want to shut the thing yet. Get that going. Better view what I was talking about on the other pulley. The other pulley's right. Let's see here. So in there, up there, right there. You get in there. That's where you tuck it in on that. Okay. So, you got your main one, it goes over here, goes underneath your tension pulley, up over your alternator, yank your thing, push it in on this side of that bottom one, that last pulley I just told you about. And then you're going to successfully change your stupid serpentine belt. I'm going to give this a crank. I'm going to take this off. I think we're going to be okay for now. Unplug this, hold on. By the way, that's what I got at O'Reilly. Alright, 4050405. That's for the Echo Tech. It's just the 2.4 liter. Alright, let's see if that stupid thing starts. Smokes. Oh, as well. I guess you can't roll your window down. Well, it didn't fly off, but it did good. Sounds like it. And the boil good. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.